At this juncture, I don't care about near Obia Ebeka. But to me, no, me ma lose hope. Yeah, to me, no, me ma lose hope. Me who say, can Ofori Atta case we Ngwesiaga. Me, I want to forget about this case. Say, update be a back me be report ya chiro. But to me, as a Ghanaian, as King Fantastic sitting here talking to you, sa can Ofori Atta case we. Ye be ya 4 years be endi, ye be tuaba. Now Ofori Atta case we. And do baby. Democracy eya debia adi Africa nya papa. Democracy adi nya. Na eye me ya say ye sade we ye nya notice ye. Democracy di nya e wa Africa. When him say Ken Ofori Atta case no. Yes, ya adwani akoto April. Later on, Grana Meti say, yes, say case no, and ran ye di yenum grano case na ye di yenukra wasn't about even deportation issue. That is what I heard. And the Attorney General office no, mudi yaji ene di agro, ana ediena mu chireye. Imagine, Ken Ofori Atta is still in the US. Yawura second year of President Mahama Amamu. You was second year mu. April muna yebesako decided either he will be brought to Ghana or not. Yeba Ghana, ye de ba Ghana, afi na onu nso the case be start. Yebe wie the case da ben. Either you pronouncing it guilty, and I say beka say no one song da ben. Until me, Ken Ofori Atta case with me, ma lose hope. Me who say Ngwesiaga. I don't care about Obia Beka. Any update be free one banu, me de bro. But me need GDA say sa prosecution person prosecute Ken Ofori Atta no e be ya adwuma. Per how me who case no. Me ma pem, yeah, ma pem. Me ni sa GDA ni bio. But let's go. U.S. judge grants Ofori Atta's request to hear his case in camera while in ICE detention. Ken Ofori Atta also a detention center. I requested a U.S. judge in Chen say, or per se the case in privately. In camera. Na onukra susu say or per se or from detention center. Baby, who read this story into details are. Ken Ofori Atta per se ye case no ewa den onu kasa no responding to conversation no through even phone ewa baby owo no on person be call open court. That is what Ken Ofori Atta requested, and a US judge in so then a granting privately. Now Ghana won a failed republic. On my way, say Ken Ofori Atta, if this man is not brought to Buka, a fekrana ebe encouraging Krofo more to do corruption in this country. This is coming from Franklin Kuju. I want us to read this statement. Tiasema will count. There are some people in this country that are making it to look like, say, a time Ken Ofori Atta, which is wrong. See, for the last time, please, some of you in the NPP should stop saying some of us hate Ken Ofori Atta and Nanado. We are only reminding everyone that Nana and his cousin were fantastically incompetent, wasted our lives, deployed well-rehearsed, vindictive and Machiavellian tactics in running down businesses and names of persons they disliked, attempted to capture some state institutions through chronic crooks, denying parliamentary representation to sell, carelessness sent many elderly people to their untimely deaths through the dangerous financial haircuts and DDEP, ran a world oil corrupt corrupt system that almost stole our resources through a Japan and left a junk-rated debt iceberg economy. Aren't these true? Franklin Goodjoe said for the last time, or catch or more MPP, Musa, Munya, so Muka said, ye mubi a pese Kenofrata be facing justice no, yet time could Kenofrata announce and Nakufuado. Na, and your time, ye kayo mu of near. Na Kufuado, nene cousin, Ofori Atta, a year Ghana for, a wasting your lives. A year then, extra ya akakabin sem. Machiavellian tactics, power drunk, state capture. I say, omuche o mine fire, and lot of things omuye ya, and in crofo ekwomu early graves. Mokai for they were denied parliamentary representation. Ya creative region, ama. Omu constituency no akwa I think that was Oti akwa Oti and next say you cannot be in a different region and vote in a different region. What I say first no mu ka hohoy nti omu ndimba hohoy vote, they have to get their own constituency in Oti and be voted. Omu said that ye free ho no ma domestic debt exchange program. There's a debt restructuring. Now, there's a haircut, financial haircut. And for bond the kemu a binum for moo. One there was a thanking of Ratan or more moo because of our recklessness. We know. Can Ofori Atta and an microphone are they better than these people? And Crofobisica came on movie. A binusudia or mutiasi, Michael Blackson no, or Musika came. Michael Blackson said, no $1 billion and $1 million came. My name is Wanya. And lots of people suffered. Also, I got tombo now by 90 or the Akotia Bisiaka. Okwa Kawan Niano. Obisika wa no any pension money. Now buy a tam. Say financial haircut. Ejaye economic portal a sorry koye. A natural resources through a Japadie. And to Bisa say, Sanyama we work in a yanokre. And this and a second of Ratambe face accountability. And Trono Invan. Where's the lies? Eh? Can Ofori Atta, your mind is serious and Ofori Atta and Ghana since last year. And the more I see a time Ofori Atta, why do you think we hate him? Yet time for what? No crena ye catch them, Tieni Obisu can. Listen. Ofori Atta is not naive. He's not a novice. Ofori Atta is well educated, experienced, intelligent, decisive, calculated, an accomplished businessman. He chose recklessness as Minister of Finance because it was convenient. He sacrificed the good people of Ghana. He was careless with the resources entrusted in his care to husband. Nipa we ne dindelu is a lie. Or say, Ken Ofori Atta na sebi wanimni oye. Ken Ofori Atta na ni oye nyinano na oya aware, oye experienced person, oye intelligent, otinye na oye nasi, oye well educated. Nti any decision biya or take care biya no ya aware. Mamenti hobi Ofori Atta is well educated, experienced, intelligent, decisive, calculated, an accomplished businessman. He's a Christian but has no regard for God. He chose recklessness as Minister of Finance because it was convenient. He sacrificed the good people of Ghana. He was careless with the resources entrusted in his care to husband. Ti wasi nipa wasi Ofori Atta ye Christian or sorry no was quite but on respecting Nyankopon, on follow Nyankopon asem, on fanya me asem nya adwuma, on suro nyame. Or to recklessness because of him saying you obey bia be ko na favor mo. What I say, your resource and share in seminal, ninja now the year for no own benefit. Technically, this person is saying that anything we can offer at year, and yes, and now you're incompetent, no, you're aware. He made brutal decisions that plunged this nation, decisions that directly impoverished citizens, some of whom died as a result. Or see, Ofori Atta shared that the key decisions be a year then. Say on my way, decisions be a ma and crofo, a di onya a binum fast with. He was dishonest, he lied about the funding of the cathedral, he lied about resorting to IMF, he lied about DDEP, he lied about the economy, he allegedly involved himself in outrageous financial crimes against this nation. Ofori Atta no can correct. Or can draw about funding cathedral, or can draw about economy. Just say financial crimes a cause who are Ghana Ninano. Na Ofori Atta a can be such person. A so may face accountability, also will be time. Time for what? Shadiye. Secondly, if today he has to face justice and account for his stewardship and he's been evasive, and you, a citizen of this country, support him, show sympathy towards him, and are upset he's been pursued, then you are either ignorant, a criminal, an accomplice, or simply an enemy of the state. Until a sister Niama way in Nana Waye.